Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Today to introduce a brand new line of products I'm so excited to have here at the store. Ralf Aust straight razors. These are straight razors that have an old world quality to them. I cannot get over how beautiful and exquisitely they're made. They are hollow ground German Solingen made razors that feature materials on the handles like horn, acrylic, woods. He has so many different choices. Whichever one you go with, you're going to have a high quality blade. These are carbon steel. They also have stainless steel. Now, Ralf Aust does not do the forging. That is done by another company in Germany, but he does all the grinding, all the polishing, all the sharpening, and these truly do arrive shave ready. So one really cool aspect about Ralf Aust is it's this blend between old world and new world. So the tradition in his family was of a long line of sanders, guys who worked around wood and were crafting with their hands. And there's even tools in his small workshop today that came from his family, came from his father, some of the grinding stones, grinding machines. But they also have the modern, the brand new machining. You see this laser etching on the blade face. So that's a brand new 21st century cutting edge technology, but with the old world quality, the old world kind of processes. And these are done all by hand, and they're done one at a time. So you can definitely be ensured that you're going to have a high quality piece that's going to last a lifetime. We just picked up this line of razors, and when I got them in, I couldn't get over the old world quality. I'll say it again, because it looks like I went in a time machine and picked up a German razor from the 1940s or 1930s. That's how good these look. If you're looking for something that's maybe different than the other razors on the market, a little bit different, brand, different grind, different style, this is certainly the razor. Range of price is anywhere from $150 to up to $250 US, and these are blades that I think are going to have a lasting quality. They'll be heirloom, something you can hand down to your kids or grandkids, and I think you'd be really happy if you pick one up. Thank you so much for checking out Razor Emporium and our brand new Ralf Aust razors. We're so excited to have them, and we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.